I was working in sales for more than 10 years. I was constantly hiring salespeople for my team. After that, I was hiring for my social media development team, and even now I'm helping my students to move abroad and get a job in the country of their dreams. And that's why I've seen more than 1,000 resumes, and I really cannot hold it inside even more. And today I want to share with you 3 major mistakes you better avoid if you want to get that dream job you want. Hi guys, I'm Anna Goldman and welcome to my channel. I spent more than 10 years working in international sales. I have 2 YouTube channels run by 9 people currently, and I'm also running my online relocation program where I help people like you to move abroad and get their dream job in the country of their dreams. So believe me, I'm receiving hundreds of resumes. So in this video, I want to point out 3 major mistakes I want each of you to avoid in your professional resume. Let's dive in. And the first, and I would say the major mistake I keep seeing people making over and over again is too long resume. Guys, keep this in mind that, for example, American style resume is only 1 page. Americans with all their career experience, they're managing to keep it all only in 1 page, which is absolutely brilliant, and I personally love that style of resume. But I understand not all of us have the same skills, and sometimes we feel like we need a little bit more space to describe all our achievements, all these good things about us, and no more than 2 pages. Let me be honest with you, even during my sales career, I was not even reading the resumes more than 2 pages long. When I open my email and I see 5 pages, 7 pages, honestly, I don't care. I don't care how good you are in your career, in your professional life. I will not be reading that book about you. I have no time. Keep this in mind. Every hiring official, we have about 6-10 seconds to glance your resume to decide if we're going to read it further or we're just, sending it to the bin right away. And the first thing first, when we see too long resume, honestly, no one has this much time these days, so it's going right out, out of my view. 2 pages, and this is maximum you can do. Lots of you will ask me now, what if I have such a long career, or if I change the number of jobs, or if I have academic background with all my studies, with all my courses, with all my achievements? Guys, do this way. For everyone who is an engineer running like several projects during the course of your life, academic background with all your publications, journals, and all these good things, I totally understand. Okay, you can have 2 documents. Your resume, which is 2 pages, make sure that you will keep only best possible experience. Your resume is a marketing page. This is your way to get in front of your potential employer. It's the way to sell yourself. You have 2 documents, your marketing page or your resume with 2 pages, and your CV. So you start your conversation, you start approaching your potential employer with your 2 pages resume, and after that, when they contact you back, and if you feel that they would be interested in reading that further document, you're asking them, would you like to discover my career even more in a deeper way? And only after they confirm that they are interested in reading more pages about your career, about your achievements, okay, go ahead and send that CV of yours with all your achievements, with everything you can put there, that 7 pages, 9 pages, but only after you got ideally written confirmation that the person that side is really wants to see it. So no long resumes, 2 pages only. And by the way, I'm sharing the exact example of really working resume, which got me about 11 interviews in the course of 2 months. I'm sharing this exact paper with my community, with people who joined my online relocation program. If you're also serious about getting better job, getting your pay raise, moving out of your town, your current city, or even to move to that dream country of yours, consider checking my Successful Relocation Program, where I allocate the whole module, how to write that perfect resume, how to get the job you always wanted, how to get your pay raise, how to join that company you were always dreaming about. So everything you need to know about your better salary, better company, successful relocation, and your happy future life, consider checking my program. Everything you need in the description to this video. Second mistake I keep seeing all the time: every second resume after your name, your email address, all these personal details, you're jumping right on your work experience. First of all, when I see your resume, I want to understand who I'm dealing with, and your name is not enough. I want to see like a little summary of yourself, summarizing your best qualities. And after this short summary, make sure that your resume has this special section, your career achievements. Just highlight 3, maximum 5 career achievements you reached during the course of your career, your biggest deals, your best projects, something you're so proud of yourself. So never forget about your personal summary, 1 paragraph, and your best, your main career achievements. 3, 5, maximum 7. You don't need to go beyond it. Number 3, and this is vital information for everyone out there who are targeting to move to the country of their dreams, to change their country and get a job internationally. That address in your resume matters. For example, if you're currently in the US but you're targeting to get your job in Norway, make sure that you will put Norwegian address in that resume. Otherwise, just remove any physical address and keep only your email address. Let me explain you why. People in Scandinavia, in Europe, including Norway, they like, projecting things in the future, and when they see that this potential candidate, no matter how good the candidate is, if this candidate is currently abroad, guys, most likely this resume will go to the bin, because we don't want to deal with all these relocation issues, if we need to pay for immigration lawyers, if we need to contribute in the relocation expenses. So just prevent this further thinking, prevent this forecasting and additional thinking. So your resume is not to show everything you've got. It's not to present the situation as it is. Just make them see you as a professional. Make them see you as a candidate. Put them in front of you. The goal of that resume is to put this hiring official in front of you. In other words, just to organize your online interview, to have them talking to you, on the camera, to seeing you, to fall in love with you by the end of that interview. So when you have an interview with them, when you impress them with your skills and your qualities, after that you can mention that you will need a few months to accomplish your relocation. So if you need this advice, if you need this help, if you want to feel in the right community of like-minded individuals who also planning to move to another place, who also planning to get another job in the company, in the country of their dreams, please join us with my premium students. We are running these group meetings every single week. We will be discussing your case in detail to make sure that in a very short period of time, like in 2 months, you will get that desired job offer you were dreaming about for the last years. And not to leave you without giving you some extra, let me tell you a few words about those crazy designs and pictures on your resume. Both cases, no need. Some people think that when they have this crazy, authentic design in their resume, when they're producing their resumes using Canva and other services like this, that resume will stand out of the crowd and potential employer will definitely notice it. In real life, it does not work. As a hiring official, I have so little time in my life. On top of my current responsibilities, I also need to go through all these endless resumes. And if I cannot find all information I'm looking for right away within past 6-10 seconds, I'm looking at your resume. If I feel that I need to work harder to select all this necessary information, you will go to the bin right away. I will not be wasting my time on going through your heavily designed, heavily covered resume to find information I'm looking for. My advice: always go for templates, for specific templates, clear enough, with a little bit of highlights, the exact example I'm sharing with the members of my community. No need to invent something what was already invented. Just make life of any hiring official much easier by providing them with this excellent structured resume of yours. They will find all information they need right away. Same with the picture. Do not put any picture on your resume. In some countries, like in the US, it also has to do something about discrimination. Same in the UK. Honestly, guys, I will bin you if I see a picture on the resume. Same thing in Norway. It is optional, but I would not do it. Let me tell you behind the scenes of every process of selecting the candidates for further interview. When I'm about to invite you for that interview, after I send that email inviting you for that interview, I will Google you. Right away, I will check your LinkedIn profile and make sure I will see the picture there. I will see all your career experience, which you can fully put on your LinkedIn profile. That's why you don't need to put more than 2 pages on your resume. On your resume, make all information relevant for the job position I'm hiring for. The rest of information, keep it on your LinkedIn profile. If you are still not sure if you have a working resume and how to improve it, 2 options for you. Join our relocation community, where we're helping people just like you to get much better job, pay raise, or anything else they want in their life, or even moving to the country of your dreams. All the details to this program in the description to this video. Check it out. Join us. We will be happy to have you as a part of our community. If you feel like having a private chat with me, also the link in the description. Please feel free to book a private consultation with me, where I will give you all information you need to have to upgrade your current job, to get your pay rise, to move to that desired country you are dreaming to move to, or you still are dreaming to move to. Anyway, any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this one. I'm so happy to have you here, and I can't wait to see you in my next